Welcome everyone to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to download and install the AOL application. So for that, open the Google Play Store at first. Once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar on the top and then type in AOL. Tap on search. You can see the AOL Mail application on the very top. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be fully downloaded first. So if you are using an Android device, you will need to open the Google Play Store. But if you are using an iOS, you need to open an App Store. Only then you will be able to download the application from there. The downloading process of the application is completed. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the AOL application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful on how to download and install the AOL. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.